If I had to start from absolute zero today with no audience, no technical coding skills, and $0 capital, here is exactly how I would make my first $100 online using free AI tools. Forget complex coding or expensive ad campaigns. In this step-by-step blueprint, I am going to show you a practical system that works right now. By the end of this video, you will have a ready-to-sell service, a high-converting digital asset, and a proven method to land your very first paying client today. Let us open up our browser and get right into step 1. Before we open any software, let us break down the exact math and strategy behind making your first $100. Trying to sell a $1,000 course to cold traffic when you are just starting out is nearly impossible. Instead, we are going to focus on selling 2 simple digital assets for $50 each, or 5 microservices at $20 each. We will use Claude and ChatGPT to generate high-value local business audits, social media content packages, and custom digital templates. This requires zero upfront costs, takes under 2 hours to set up, and targets small business owners who urgently need help with their online visibility right now. First, head over to chat.openai.com or claude.ai and create a free account if you have not already. To get professional results, generic prompts will not cut it. We need to turn the AI into an expert digital consultant. Copy this exact prompt from the screen, act as a senior digital marketing strategist for local service businesses. Analyze the following business niche and write a comprehensive audit covering missing SEO keywords, social media gaps, and 3 actionable growth strategies. Notice how we define the persona, target audience, and output format. Once you press enter, watch as the AI generates a detailed audit draft within seconds. Now that we have our raw text audit, we need to make it look like a $1,000 professional report. Head over to canva.com and type business report into the search bar. Select a clean, modern PDF presentation template. Copy the AI-generated points from ChatGPT and paste them into the canvas. Customize the colors to match the client branding, add clear section headings, and include visual charts. To make it even higher value, add a section called 30-Day Social Media Plan generated by AI. Export this file as a high-resolution PDF print document. You now have a polished, professional deliverable ready to send. Next, we need to find local businesses that actively need the service and have the money to pay. Open Google Maps and search for local services in mid-sized cities, such as plumbers in Austin or dentists in Tampa. Skip the sponsored ads at the top and look for businesses on page 2 or 3 that have lower Google review ratings or missing website links. Click on a business profile, scroll down to their contact section, and note down their owner name and business email address. Collect 10 to 15 qualified prospects into a free Google Sheet along with their website URL and current social media gaps. Now we will let ChatGPT draft personalized outreach emails that do not sound like spam. In ChatGPT, paste this prompt, write a short, friendly, non-pushy email to a local business owner named John. Mention one specific compliment about their business, highlight 2 missing SEO opportunities found in our audit, and offer to send over a free mini audit report with no obligations. Notice how this approach provides immense upfront value without demanding anything in return. Review the AI draft, personalize the name and specific local detail, and make sure the tone feels authentic and conversational before copying it to your email client. Once a prospect replies with interest, send them the customized PDF mini audit immediately. Include a short pre-recorded video using Loom where you walk through the report on screen for 2 minutes. At the end of your video, present a clear, low-friction offer. If you would like me to implement these recommendations and manage your social media content for the next month, I can do it for just $50. When they agree, send them a Stripe payment link or PayPal invoice. Once payment is received, deliver your completed AI-generated content package directly to their email inbox. Let us address the 3 biggest mistakes beginner creators make that prevent them from earning their first $100 online. First, do not send raw copy-pasted ChatGPT text without editing. Clients can instantly detect unformatted AI output. Always refine tone and formatting. Second, avoid targeting saturated markets like tech startups. Focus instead on traditional local service businesses like roofers, chiropractors, and landscapers. Third, do not pitch high-ticket services right away. Start with a micro offer under $50 to build trust quickly, collect a positive testimonial, and establish proof of work before scaling your prices up. Once you successfully collect your first $100, scaling up becomes a repeatable system. Save your ChatGPT prompts into a master Notion document to automate 80% of the labor for future client projects. Turn your PDF audits into reusable templates so you can produce a completed client package in under 15 minutes. Reinvest your initial earnings into a custom domain name and professional portfolio website. Once you have 3 client testimonials on your page, increase your package price from $50 to $250, turning a simple side hustle into a predictable monthly income stream. Earning your first $100 online with AI is not about luck, it comes down to executing a simple, repeatable process that delivers real value to real people. Every prompt and template we covered today is linked for free in the video description below. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment with your target local niche, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our weekly AI tutorial guides. Now open up ChatGPT, find your first prospect, and start building your online business today.